This is your HVAC condensing unit, unit number 404. It's a 13 SEER unit. This is the electric service disconnect for it. It's not supposed to be behind it. It should be sealed on 3 sides. And this disconnect does not have a dead front cover plate. The insulation on the low pressure piping is compromised and missing, and that insulation doesn't meet current standards. Those are your Schrader valve caps. Good luck looking that up. Refrigerant service port caps. They were fine when this unit was installed, but today they would be anti-theft Schrader valve caps. That's the sound of the system in operation. This is the data plate right here. It says that this is a 2-ton system. It requires a 15 amp breaker, and it uses R22 refrigerant. It says this system is 12 years old. 12 years old. They're engineered on paper to last 20. You can get 30 years out of it, but 14 is average, and 11 years old is pretty old. It's got an R22 refrigerant. It's still available. It's very expensive though. It's illegal to manufacture it in the United States. It's illegal to import it in the United States. It's an obsolete system. You should be running on 410. There are some alternative refrigerants that are also expensive for this system, but it's already a 13 SEER. And the alternatives, they run 10 to 35% less efficient. So it's already an inefficient system. It'll run less efficient if you put the alternative refrigerant in it. And just about any technician, you might as well marry your tech guy, because nobody's going to want to service that. Nobody's going to want to follow somebody after they retrofitted a system like that. So it would be prudent to budget for replacement, go to a 410 that anybody would work on. It would be a little more energy efficient. That's just your home inspector's opinion. I'll let you know all the information to make up your mind. But at 11 years old, it's only got a couple more years that anybody would expect. Saved by the bell. The coils are dirty. The coils are filthy.